I'm Karen Dixon, and I'm currently studying my master's here in Cardiff Metropolitan University in advanced cybersecurity. I had a background in IT, that's my first degree, and I have a wealth of work experience in the field as a network security engineer. My passion lies in helping governments, organizations, and individuals to better secure their valuable assets in terms of data protection. As technology keeps evolving, cybercriminals have devised more strategies to, hack into systems and cut away people's valuable information and data. So the need for cybersecurity awareness is paramount. After my extensive research, I chose Cardiff Met because I saw that the cybersecurity course they offered is integrated with professional certification content like certified ethical hacking, the CCNA course, and they had the cyber ops. And apart from that, I also saw they offered real-life practicals and workshops, and I felt like this would they'll have a lot of value to offer to me. Cardiff Metropolitan University is also an academic partner with the Certified Information Security Body, which will help in my professional journey. So that was why I chose Cardiff Met. Cardiff Met, they offer hands-on labs and workshop sessions where we apply our theoretical knowledge into practical real-life scenarios. So we had practical labs on network security, on forensics, digital forensics, cryptography. It was really wonderful because it wasn't just based on the head knowledge, we had to see them being applied in real life. Initially, we had a lot of students from different backgrounds, for example, medical background, and it was a bit of a challenge. I had one of my classmates, he was thinking, how am I going to catch up with this course since I'm from a different field altogether? But over time, our lecturers made sure everyone was on the same table. We came up to the same speed and understood. And I really have to commend Cardiff Met for that, the lecturers especially. We actually have excellent lecturers, I noticed here, our lecturers are quite interactive with us. They made the course seem like really interesting and not something scary. The highlight moment for me here is, the moment my course mates chose me to represent them. As a course rep, we had regular reviews, meetings with the aim of improving the whole structure of the study based on students' feedback to meet their needs and expectations. So I get feedback from them. Okay, so what are we to enhance? What are we to improve? Are we to add new workshops? It just gave me an insight on how Cardiff Met has the best interests of students at heart. Of course, there are challenges usually. As an immigrant, an international student, Cardiff Met created a great platform to integrate international students into the society. So we had seminars and sessions where we had people come in to tell us, okay, in terms of even employability, how it works here, whatever career sector you want to delve into. And of course, meeting a lot of people from different culture and race, it made me understand better. It's just quite beautiful to learn from other different backgrounds and culture. With time, it became more easier because I made friends, a lot of friends. My lecturers and the school really helped me largely to integrate into the society. I would recommend Cardiff Met over and over again. Cardiff Met is really a great, in terms of achieving your goal, in terms of no matter the background, we actually have world-class lecturers. Yeah, I have to say that my lecturers are really wonderful, friendly, and willing to, it's just beyond their profession, they're willing to make sure we understand and learn. So Cardiff Met is really a good place I would recommend for anybody thinking of where to study this course, cybersecurity. You won't regret it. I recommend it any day.